Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to delete a text file from the OneDrive portal via Office 365 using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to an account for Microsoft Office 365, as well as a text file that we may have uploaded to the portal. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go to the dock. Go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome. Enter to open up the web browser. Wait for that to load. Once it is loaded, now let's go to office.com. And make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Applications, More Applications. Let's now navigate into the OneDrive portal. And then within admin, go to My Files. Let's now go within the 2024 folder that we have been working in, that was created in the previous tutorials. Click on this. And we should have a text file within that folder. If I were to, let's just say, click on this, it will then open up the code or any information in that text file. Let's go back one. And now click on the top. And then on the top toolbar, we have some options available for us. One of them being the delete function. Click on this. We then receive a prompt on screen, delete. Are you sure you want to send this item to the recycle bin? That is correct. Click on delete. And there we go. That file has now been deleted from the OneDrive portal, moved into the recycle bin. If we wish to recover that deleted file, that's all for another tutorial. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.